with a video question.
Hey CNBC, Logan Schreier here, recent grad from University of Alabama, Roll Tide. Was just wondering on your thoughts on JD, the China stock.
All right, Shan, what do you think?
Well, thanks for the question, Logan. So JD is a competitor of Alibaba, which we own, and we think about, the potential for what Pete talked about earlier, which is transactions being done digitally. That's going to continue for the Chinese consumer as well. There is going to be likely some overhang as it relates to China-U.S. relations on Chinese stocks over the next couple of quarters, but JD might actually outperform Alibaba in the short term, given the spend that Alibaba is making.
Okay, thank you. Liz Young to you from Daryl. Have I missed the window to own airline stocks? What do you think?
Hi, Daryl. I don't think you've missed it. There are two sets of airline passengers. The first set is the leisure passenger, who is price sensitive. The second set is the business traveler, who is not as price sensitive, a higher margin passenger. That hasn't come back yet. More money to be made.
Okay, thank you. Pete, video question. Let's watch.
Hi, this is Trey from Pete's home state of Minnesota. I wanted to get Pete's thoughts on CELH, Celsius Holdings.
What do you think, Pete? Celsius Holdings.
Well,
it's up 706% in the last year.
Yeah, it's a name that I bought a while back, and I love it. My daughter talked me into it, and I think it's a great company. They just had earnings the other day, and you take a look at those numbers, and you can understand why I like it. They're also starting to steal a little bit of the market share from Red Bull, from Monster, and I think that's going to continue. So I love the name, and I think it's going a lot higher.
Okay, Degas, roll the video.
Hi, I'm Julian from Germany, and I am a young investor. Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna are delivering hundreds of millions of vaccine doses and will make billions in additional earnings. So why are these stocks going down? Is something fundamentally wrong now with vaccine stocks, or is this a buying opportunity? Thanks, and love the show.
All right, we appreciate that and appreciate the question. What do you think, Degas? Maybe it's about the talk about sharing the IP. I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah, Julian, first of all, this is a great question by a young investor. What we like, and we own Pfizer because of the deep pipeline. What's occurring with this particular with the vaccine, that's been very positive. But what's happened with the pandemic, there's been less doctor's visits, and so there's less prescriptions being written by doctors, and that's impacting revenues. So we like Pfizer. Out of those three, less volatile, deeper pipeline, go with Pfizer.
Okay, thank you. Lastly, Rich Saperstein to the video.
Hi, this is Ryan from Ohio. Just got my tax returns back, and I'm ready to buy. Should I invest in GM or Ally? Thank you.
All right, it's got some cash in his pocket, looking to buy a stock. What do you think?
I'd go with GM, which is the comeback kid, especially if you looked at that mid-engine Corvette, which Scott's probably going to go buy at the end of the show. They've got exciting innovation, design. They got a great partnership with Cruise and Lyft. So I'd be owning GM here.
I'm trying to get back in my good graces. I know exactly what you're doing. All right. Well